Seems to be a problem with the door. Where's the picture gone? What? Oh, Jesus! Oh, God! Oh, Jesus! God! Oh, Mary, Mother of Jesus! Jesus of Nazareth! Why am I worrying about this? You did it! All I have to do is go out and tell them what happened. That's it. And they'll say, well, who let them alone with the picture? And I say, me. And they say, well, you're fired. I say, fine. No. Then they say, firing was not enough. Let's prosecute you for negligence. Then I go to jail. My wife leaves me. My daughter becomes a prostitute. I wind up on death row, sharing a cell with Butch McDick. Calm down. I just gotta calm down. Okay.